President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. has called on Philippine government officials and employees to keep their Christmas celebration simple as a show of solidarity with the thousands of Filipino affected by recent calamities. Meanwhile, the Department of Information and Communications Technology assured the public of a safer holiday season amid the rising cases of online scams. Prince Tripoli has the news.
President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. reminded all government agencies nationwide to keep this Christmas and year-end celebrations simple yet meaningful. In a press briefing at Malacanang on Wednesday, Palace Press Officer and Presidential Communications Office PCO Under Secretary Claire Castro said the directive was made in consideration of families still recovering from the series of calamities that hit the country. These include the recent earthquakes in the Visayas and Mindanao, as well as typhoons that struck various parts of the Philippines.
Kasunod ng mga sakuna sa bansa, paalala ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. at ng DBM sa ahensya ng pamahalaan, gawing simple ang pagdiriwang ng holiday season. Paalala sa mga kawani ng gobyerno, mahalaga ang pagdiriwang ng Pasko na may pag-aalala sa kapwa nating patuloy na bumabangon at nagsisimulang muli mula sa maraming kalamidad na tumama sa bansa.
Meanwhile, the Department of Information and Communications Technology or DICT has announced the implementation of a Plan Paskong Sigurado to ensure the public's protection against online scams this Christmas season. The agency is coordinating with the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas o BSP banks and law enforcement groups for the initiative.
Inutos po ng Presidente sa akin at sa DICT, itong Pasko na to, walang Pilipinong may scam. So tuloy-tuloy po yan at we're making sure we're working with BSP, with the banks, with the law enforcers. Matiwasay po dapat ang Pasko natin, so tuloy-tuloy lang po kayong e-commerce, e-transaction.
The DICT also clarified that no data breach occurred in any e-wallet services based on the verification of the National Privacy Commission.
Habang nagpapatuloy po na mag-verify kami doon sa mga reports kasi kailangan namin gawin, gusto lang po namin linawin. We concluded, hindi po fake news po yon. Parang may na-recycle na news in the past na lumutang na lang.
It can be recalled that cases of phishing and fake online sellers tend to increase during the holiday season due to the surge in online shopping activity. Reporting for Newsline World, this has been Prince Tripoli, your citizen correspondent.